Oscar, but it's here, it's here. We gotta go, we gotta go. Whoa, 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 dude. Whoa, whoa. We're good, we're good. No, back up. Whoa, check this out. I've been waiting for this for so long. FI exhaust, experience the passion of engineering. Oscar, I'm sorry, but I didn't want you to go running though, dude. I didn't want you to go running. You're a good boy, you're a good boy. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. The single greatest car modification I've ever made in my entire life, without a doubt, without hesitation, is the FI exhaust on my Lamborghini Aventador, the biggest flamethrower you have ever seen in your entire life. And excitingly today, the FI exhaust for my 2020 Mark V Toyota Supra has arrived. And boys, we're installing it. That's what's in the box. So, but before we can do that, I feel like you guys need convincing. If you have not heard the FI exhaust on my Aventador, well, here we go. I think we need a round two. Frequency intelligence, yes. Like I said, it's 9:15 a.m. on a Sunday morning. The 2012 Lamborghini Aventador with the frequency intelligence fire-to-door exhaust spits bigger flames than any other Aventador in the world. I'm serious, like the 13s, the 14s, the 15s, like the 12s is where it's at. We're talking from here to Long Island. Also headphone users, seize the moment. Like I'm serious, like we're in a parking garage, the echo is gonna be off the charts. This probably doesn't need to be said. My YouTube business health insurance, it only covers my eardrums. It doesn't cover you guys, so protect. I can hear the police sirens, they're on their way, so like, we gotta roll. The sound of this V12 with the FI exhaust, it like penetrates through your soul. Every time I rev this car, I feel like the FBI and the SWAT team are gonna come find me, so we gotta get out of here. Like I said, boys, the single best modification I've ever done to any car in the world is the FI exhaust on this Aventador. Wait for it. I'm excited. Wait. The door squeaks! No! The number one question I get asked whenever I go to any car shows, you guys always want to know, does the Aventador door still squeak? And today, yes it does. And on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by King of Avalon. I want to thank today's video sponsor, King of Avalon. Support me, support them. Link in the description below. You can download King of Avalon. It's 100% free. It's an epic multiplayer online game that reached the #1 spot. That's right, the #1 spot for mobile games in the United States. And here's the challenge. Anybody watching today's video is eligible for this. Download King of Avalon, and the one subscriber who reaches the highest level between right now and my next video upload, I'll send you a free Strad shirt and I'll sign it. Any shirt you want on my online store, I'll send it to you free of charge anywhere in the world. So time is of the essence, so let's roll. It's a classic strategy game. It's kind of like Game of Thrones, but for a mobile device. There's links in the description below to both iOS and Android devices. It's free to download. Guys, go check it out. I've been working out a lot, but it's safe to say this is the single heaviest thing I've ever lifted in my entire life. Don't worry, guys. I got it. I got it. Thanks for the help, guys. Come on, come on. It's really a story of inspiration and survival, but we lived. Scissors, scissors. I am so excited for this exhaust. We got the full FI exhaust for the 2020 Toyota Supra. We gotta unbox. I cannot remember the last time I was this excited for a car mod. I got my Supra at the end of July, and I could have gotten exhaust like a month ago, but after getting the FI exhaust for my Aventador, like, I had to get it for my Supra. It's been worth the wait. Check this out. What? Here we go. Perfect. I cannot remember the last time I was this excited for a modification. Like, the Supra is gonna sound insane We got James the Stradman right there. Frequency intelligence exhaust. So I gotta figure out how to put all of these components in the passenger seat. Yeah. Yes, I am using bubble wrap as a seat cover. I better not see any judgment in the comments below. I don't have a choice. It just is what it is. Let's be 100% honest. That could not have worked out any better. Like, that is perfect. And then we got the foam. Bada bing, bada boom. Yes, yes. As you might say, now we're rolling. I'm getting a little bit excited. Like, there's just something about the exhaust on the Aventador. Like, it's changed my life, boys. Like, I'm a better person because of the FI exhaust on the Aventador. And I just know that, well, the Supra's gonna be the same. I just realized I forgot to unbox quite possibly the most important part, the exhaust tips. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I might get copyrighted for Star Wars music. Whoa. We have officially made it in life. Whoa, check that out. Girth Nation, are you kidding me? What? That looks insane. It appears to be a fairly technical technique, but it's just normal cardboard and a blanket, and they said I wasn't resourceful. Yes, 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 yes. Out of nowhere, look who finally showed. Whoa, you're looking dapper. Dude, you clean up well. Are you kidding me? Did you comb your beard too?
A little bit. I forgot to shave, so the beard's kind of covering it up, but yeah, we're good.
Do you see my exhaust? It's just glowing here under the sun.
Dude, that blue.
Isn't that sick?
That blue tip.
It says this James the Stradman right here too.
Okay, that's
so cool.
Can I just say that the red Supra was cool. I like the black more, but I can't wait to see a purple.
I would love to install the exhaust on the Supra myself, but first and foremost, you guys know this, I know this, it's good to be aware of your strengths and weaknesses, of which I have a lot of weaknesses and, well, not as many strengths. Anyways, I'm an idiot, and if I did it, I would blow it up and the car would be, anyways. So we're here at 8080, they're doing the wide body kit install as well. They're the guys for the job. I don't think, no, they're not quite here yet, but soon. We are back here at 8080. Massive shout out to Casey. Dude, thank you so much.
You're very welcome,
like,
man.
It's Sunday afternoon.
It's a nice day.
It is a nice day, but we're installing an exhaust. Check that out. Toyota Supra A90, 3-liter, number 002. That is so sick. This might be the most beautiful exhaust I've ever seen in the entire world. And how cool is that to have the serial number 002. So 001 is the FI exhaust prototype. So we're the first customer FI exhaust in the entire world. This car is gonna sing too. Like, these exhaust tips, like, just look at this. That is gonna look absolutely insane. Today is Sunday. On Monday, tomorrow, we're gonna be back here at 8080 because my wide body kit has been fully painted. The kit is actually over there, and I'm gonna go look at it, but I'm a terrible person. I'm not gonna show you guys, but you can appreciate the wide body Supra here at 8080. But check out this side by side. As soon as my house build is complete, I think we need to get some side-by-sides on the channel. This one is like fully spec'd out to the max. And of course we have the Nissan GTR that 8080 is giving away. If you guys want to win this car, be sure to check it out. Link in the description below to 8080. They've given away all of these cars photographed here on the wall. And if you look really quick, whoa, 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 that's my kit. It looks so good. We have the FI exhaust and we have the OEM exhaust. Quickly and quite swiftly, we are moving on up in the world. If anybody wants the stock exhaust off my 2020 Supra, check out the dumpster on 600 South in downtown Salt Lake City. It might be there, it also might not, but this FI exhaust is so sick. So Casey is removing the downpipe. We are moving quickly. And when I say we, obviously, I'm doing absolutely nothing, and Casey is a hero. Unfortunately, this is the most beautiful downpipe in the entire world, and we're never gonna see it again. But it's just nice knowing that we have number 2. Even though we can't flex it, it's just nice to know. And you guys think I do nothing. So look at this. Put in the time and energy to hustle. This might be the coolest and saddest thing. This exhaust is so beautiful looking, but like, we're never ever gonna see it. But thankfully the exhaust tips are just absolutely unreal. That coloration is so crazy. That's gonna look so crazy, like with the black.
Holy cow. That's so sick.
That's insane. Jeez, what? These exhaust tips look absolutely mental, like the coloration and then just like the girth of them. Check that out. We have some kind of sort of bad news. So we have the Valvetronic, we got all the electrical wiring right now, and to actually hook it up requires removing a bunch of the interior components and whatnot. And we have a Lambo drive here in like 35 minutes, so we're not gonna make it. So we're gonna be doing that tomorrow, which means that we can't actually drive the Supra in sport mode with the valves open. So we're gonna get the world's first startup, but the valves are gonna be closed. I know, trust me, I get it, but soon. This is the first startup, but the valves are closed. So the valves are not open, so this is not gonna be like, headphone users, you're probably okay. Massive shout out to 8080. We'll be here tomorrow for the wide body, and massive shout out to Casey. Dude, thank you.
See you, man.
See you, have a good one.
You too.
Dude, it is Sunday afternoon and Casey took his time out of his day to help me install he did install the exhaust. Okay, so we have to head home and we gotta change out the Supra for the Aventador. Check this out. So we're definitely not an hour late. Wow, this is quite the lineup. So we're headed there to Timpanogos. That's sick. Oh, Mikey. What's up, Mikey? I know, I'm sorry. Everybody's been waiting for me, so we are leaving immediately, but we got the Huracan Performante, we got the Mercy, we got the Gallardo LP560, the Huracan, the 488, we got all sorts of supercars, and we're headed that way, like now. Mikey's car is so loud, you can't even hear mine. No way, did you hear that? That was like a massive flame. I can't hear, bro. I lost hearing in my left eardrum. Like, that's what I did. It's all gone. It's your fault. Try to keep up. We're just out here flexing on the nation. We got Mikey and myself, purple and pink. We both have white wheels. Obviously, both of us have massive personal problems. We got the R8, the GT3RS, the Performante, the GT3, the new GT3RS. But check out these views, Timpanogos right there. So we lost about like, I don't know, 15 other cars. We're gonna try to go find them that way. I don't know how to really say this. We kind of sort of have some bad news. I was just making fun of Mikey's Porsche because his doors don't go up. But my car doesn't want to start.
I'm 100% agree.
Yeah, it doesn't want to start. Interesting. We have absolutely no idea what we're doing, but the tentative plan is to use this 13mm wrench and disconnect that bolt right there, that nut right there. It might work, it might not, but that's the goal. Nut has been removed.
I mean, honestly, all else fails. You just slowly push it, start coasting downhill.
It's gonna start right now, 100%. Shout out to Mikey for sticking around. Okay, so
No shout out.
yeah, sorry Mikey, you're not getting the shout out. It's
You kick the tire, maybe?
It's not gonna start. Come on, Lamborghini. Just start.
I'll reach out with you, friend. Oh!
Yes! yes! Mikey was right! It had, wait, no, it's 46! It's 46, bro! Are you 45? 45. Oh, we're 45. So yeah, Lamborghinis, you can only start or stop them on the 5-minute mark. Porsches are every minute, but we're good. All right, should we try to catch up? Yeah. Okay. Adding insult to injury, are you kidding me? The worst part about the Aventador issues, I have no idea what it is. Like, fuel's not the issue. We have spark, we have air. There's just sort of like, there's some software issue. It's not a hardware issue, it's a software issue. I'm gonna have to take the car to make some models. Hopefully they can plug in something. I don't know, that's the worst part. I don't know what is wrong with the car. Let's see, so the Supra, we're taking that off to 8080 tomorrow for the wide body kit. We're also gonna be adding the Valvetronic to the exhaust system. So yes, that exhaust is gonna sound amazing. Right now, it kind of sounds like a vacuum cleaner, but that's because the valves are closed. Once we open the valves, that FI exhaust is gonna absolutely scream. Anyways, guys, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over.